light behind me and I'm afraid that my hair will catch fire. What? Play. Hello good people of the internet, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who haven't been here before, welcome. Today's video is a tutorial on this very simple look right here, which is actually my go-to look and has been for the last couple of months. This is actually the look that I go to when I want a little bit more everyday glam. If you want a little bit on the eye but not too much, and can't forget lashes, I always wear lashes. But if you want to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching.
Alright, so I'm starting off with a bare face for the purpose of this video, as it is short and sweet. And we're gonna start off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Minimizing Pore Primer and prime my face. Then we're gonna kick things into gear with the Anastasia Stick Foundation, and this is in the shade Warm Beige, and I did talk about it in my previous favorites video, so if you want to know what I think about that, then just check that out. And I like to work it in with a beauty blender, as I feel like a beauty blender gives the best result. And then of course we need to conceal and don't feel, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Definition to conceal things. And again, I'm working it in with a beauty blender. Then it's time to set everything, and I'm using only the No Color Powder by RCMA because lately I've felt like there's been too much highlighter. I know, right? Me? Too much highlighter? What's happening to the world? Anyways, I am using that. So now you're probably thinking that I'm doing things in the wrong order, and you're absolutely right. I am. This is something that I've been doing lately. I've been taking my highlighter before my bronzer and my blush just to give that glow from within feel instead of that boom highlighter in your face. And then of course I'm going in with bronzer, and this is the Bahama Mama by The Balm, and I'm just doing some light contour just to warm up the face really, before I go in with the Nip+fab quad in the blush called Flamingo. Then I just do my brows real quick before I set my entire face using the Glow Me Up Fixing Spray by Jan Thomas Studio Cosmetics, which actually has a slight shimmer to it, so it does add to that glow from within feel. Then I'm going in with Bahama Mama again, just to get that little something up in the crease and make that soft glam appearance that I was talking about. And I'm also blending this under on the lower lash line. Then adding the glam to the soft glam look that I'm doing, I'm taking this beautiful gold shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills called Amber, which I place all over the mobile eyelid. And then I just take a moment and go off camera to do my lashes. A lash tutorial is coming, by the way. And then I'm just taking a Q-tip, removing a residue foundation off my lips before I go in with a liner that is Boldly Bare by MAC. I like to outline my lips before I fill them in completely with the liner before I go in with lipstick. Yes, we are having another Anastasia Beverly Hills moment in this video. This is the matte lipstick in Kiss, which I've been absolutely loving lately. Then I'm just doing some final touches, putting mascara on the lower lash line and just adding a little more highlighter, and that completes the look. Thank you for watching.
So this is actually the so today's video is actually okay, maybe we just cut it off right there. Cut.